What's up everybody? Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to change your Postman into a dark mode theme. This is actually really easy to do. You're going to go up to the Postman menu option and then you're going to go to Preferences, which is also the Command comma shortcut key. And then we're going to go to Themes in that top menu there. And from Themes we have Light Mode or Dark Mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Dark Mode, and as you can see, I now have my Postman in the Dark Mode theme. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below so I know you like what I'm doing. And most importantly, have a great day.